Now, let me show you. Watch out. Close it. Slide that in there. You go down. Now this is an extra special one. You know why?
Why?
All you got to do is flip the back. It's called spring assisted. So you just touch this. And it flips up.
Oh yeah.
Isn't that cool?
Finn, try cutting this. Oh look, Finn! Instructions for you. Oh. Look at your instructions, Finn.
Okay, we're gonna cut right through into the table. Careful of your sister's eyes and face and
Everything.
everything.
What do you push down?
You're making me a little nervous, Finn.
What do you push down?
I think we're gonna I think we're gonna take it back. No. Can I show you, Finn? There we go. Here, just slide that up. See this part? Slide that up. There you go.
Okay.
Cut the freak out of your fingers. Oh. Oh.
Then, if you want your instructions, if you forget, you can have your instructions. That's there.
Hold your knife up.
Oh,
Get a good picture of it.